this will be good, but I clocked over the stovepipe to top dead mixed cigarette, pushed the little dink in the back. It's awesome. This could just be the beginning of the whole sack of cigarettes stack, you know what I mean? This is leaking, so we might as well remove or replace it. Oh yeah, this thing's not even on there. I thought I was going to need to use the pate knife. Oh yeah, she was on her way out. She was well on her way out, boys. But yeah, I'm just going to take a couple friggin' like a center punch and just punch a couple spots around the outside of that hole. And then there's no way it could come out, but she's well on her way. Well on her way to self-destruct the on mode. Look at that, we got her into top dead center. Hey, remember I told you? Oh, it sounds like the Chinook just blew in. What the dickens? What the dickens is going on? Oh, hey! Oh, getting my shit wet. Freak sakes. Oh, but yeah, killer dowel pins just about flush with the case. Usually they're about a 1/4 inch in. Usually they're about a 1/4 inch in. So that would have fallen out eventually. I don't know. We're gonna have to do some investigation, but I'm just gonna pump some poop down in behind these friggin' situations, and then that'll be just about that. We'll just bang the seal in just another friggin' 1/16 of an inch just to bypass this. You know, you can't even feel it. Can't even feel the groove there, so that's good. Okay, so that's good news at least, probably. Yeah, man. How is that going to come out of there? Free 99. Okay. I guess I should have double checked that. That's pretty cool. What is happening here? This doesn't line up at all. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Well, that's just friggin' splendid. Okay. All these holes line up, lickety splips, come up to here. No liney uppy. I'll never even be noticed the Wisner, so that must be for a VE engine, I guess. Great. Yeah, man. That's the only one I got. Son of a bitch. Check this out. I've already put poop on there. Got it all cleaned up. Got poop on there. Yeah, I just smeared the poop. Something terrible. Oh, man. That sucks. I think there's truck shops that are open like till midnight and shit. I'm gonna make some phone calls, see if I can't get a gasket. Well, they got one in stock, boys. They're pretty proud of those sons of bitches. $90. So a tax will be over $100. I thought I had one. Okay, terribly disappointed. But I got to confiscate Tipward's rig because that's just the way that it's going to be. And yeah, so we're going to frig off, grab this gasket, come back, put some poop in there, put the gasket on. Put the gasket on, it'll be awesome. I apologize. It's probably a misinterpretation through text, but yeah. Tell my one buddy, he's really smart. I was telling him about different things and he said, bring the timing cover. I'm so smart.
How you doing?
Not too bad. Should I just put this here or what do you?
That's perfect, yeah.
Right on. I got another one about the same size. And this guy here goes with that too. And then I got a map. Drawing, phone number, name.
Excellent. Yeah, and that's Keith's card there if you need it. You already got it number.
Right on. Yeah, I'll just grab the other one here. Awesome. Thank you. How you doing?
Hi, good, thanks. And yourself?
I called about a gasket.
Yep.
Oh, you got her?
Okay.
I brought the lid just so we can make sure.
Yeah, she's a little dusty, but
Perfect. What do we got here?
What is Thursday?
Ah, that's the guy right there.
sweet.
Decent. Much obliged.
Have a good night.
You too. That's not the right car. What the f am I doing? Holy sh! Can you imagine? Start opening cars willy-nilly with my criminal record. That's a good idea. That's definitely against the probation. That'd be definitely against probation. Okay, go. Oh dear, they are proud of that guy. They are terrible proud of that guy. Should not wreck this one though. If we can help it. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you ever come in a predicament where you're working on your Thatch Cummins diesel engine and you know you need parts in the middle of the night, you can always call a truck, big truck place, you know Volvo and Cummins and friggin' Cat and all them signs on the front. Those are the dicks. But yeah, we got our gasket. Oh, let's see what happened. Yeah, that's totally dried. Okay, well I think we're ready for round 2. Cleaned up the case and the housing, or the friggin' cover, whatever. well, it was $107 with tax. $107. I decided that I'm not even going to poop the engine side anyway, because it's not pooped from factory, so. After fighting with that for way longer than it should have taken, here we are. All right, well, I've been at this for hours, and I think I could probably spend more multiple hours and not be any further ahead, so we'll just give her a drink. What do we got for paint? What's this? No label? Ooh, we got some duplicate color. Oh, and I just remembered, check this out. My friggin' wheel dink friggin' fits right onto the transmission. Holy schnikowitz. Hey, look at that. Almost like it was meant to be fitment, and it's got a bleeding air skill onto it too, so as we can hook her all up, bleed the oxygens out of it. But yeah, I think we're just about there. Taped off some stuff, but I think yeah, like I said, I could spend 2 more days doing this and not make a whole lot more difference, I don't think. So we'll just spray her down and that'll be good, and we'll start piecing her together. It'd be awesome. It'd be awesome. Oh, that's all she wrote. Ooh, yeah. Look at the custom finish, boys. Hey? They don't call it friggin' Inwood Customs for nothing. You know what I mean? They call it that because it's customs. Look at that. Basically rebuilt the whole engine with a wire brush and a can of spray paint. Susie! Oh yeah, just like onward. It's like brand new engine. But yeah, pretty much just waiting for a couple bits there. Waiting for a couple bits, and we can proceed with that. But I guess we got to. Think about pickling this frame. Speaking of pickling this frame, check this out. I spy with my little eye something that just reeks. Eh? I apologize. I apologize for that. But yeah, I'll just do a little bit of pickling. It's getting on in the dirt, so I don't know how much we'll get done, but you know, I'll at least do a little bit. I'm already dirty as frig, so what the dick, you know what I mean? You probably know what I mean. All right, well, that's it for me today. Hey, not too bad. Got the outside and the top on both sides done. We just got to do the bottom and the inside. I did the inside a little bit on that side, and then you know, a little bit on the front. It's got a lot of factory paint onto it too, eh? And the pickler just kind of mashes it, so I'll just you know, leave it. It's not rusty under the paint, but yeah, we'll give her a little cleany poo there, and that'll be awesome. But holy shnikewitz, boys, did this turn out freaking with more attentions to detail, eh? Holy shit. A good one. Oh, I was gonna do something a little smancy. That is awesome, eh? Custom as fuck. Dix will be like, oh, you got a 53 block, bro. You're so awesome. But anyways, don't forget to check out onebikehype.com. Shirts and decals and calendars, of course. Hey, gonna best be wanting yourself a calendar, I can tell you right now. I can assure you of these facts. But anyways, boys, we got more work done. Scores.